on our way now to
North Carolina.
and we're gonna stop. We're gonna see the waterfalls, and then we're gonna continue to Annapolis to fix the boat. That's over there. Say hi.
Hi. What's up? North.
We out here. How's it going?
Pero mira, ya hay de anilla. ¿Sí? Ay, guardo.
We made it to North Carolina. We just saw Looking Glass Falls. And now we're on here. So Dad just left. We painted the bottom. I didn't video anything because I'm spending time with family and that's important. But in the meantime, while he is gone, we got the fiberglass done, and that should be good to go. So down here, I have a piece of that rudder pole sticking down, and that thing was full of water. It comes from the top, and there was no way of getting it out. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna put caulk right in there. I'm gonna seal that up. I'm gonna try and see what is up there beforehand. If not, I'm just gonna leave the hole open and seal that hole I made to access it, and it should let the water drain and not pool in there and rot that wood. I got my Dremel and I saw the sanding belt thingy. And I looked at my prop and it's dirty. It's full of barnacles. They did the best they could, but it's still looking pretty rough. So I went ahead and I started grinding all that out, and oh, she is looking good. After I'm done getting the rough out, I'll go over it with some light sandpaper and make it look nice and shiny again. But also the shaft itself, I started doing a little bit. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's looking a lot better as well. So I'm gonna do it all along the shaft and inside as well. I'm gonna put some corrosion resistant stuff and paint so that I don't have any hard growth. Also, pardon, I'm shooting with my phone. I don't have a camera yet. So if it's windy, my apologies. I'm gonna try and fix it. So we're gonna get back to work and grind the prop, go to bacon sales and continue. We're gonna buy some stuff for the dinghy and we're gonna get this ball rolling. So real talk, a lot of people ask me why I decided to buy an old boat, why I decided to spend so much money on such an old piece of fiberglass. It's like an oasis. This is like my home, away from home right now, and it'll be my home once I move aboard and I graduate. But it's like my escape. Working here, it like takes all the stress away from all the work I'm doing in the academy, all the studying, and all the craziness, and it helps me just unwind. But this is my passion. It keeps me sane. It keeps me happy. I've never been happier in my life. But in the meantime, you know, I'm just having fun, which is very important. I'm learning a lot. I'm meeting great people. I'm having a good time, and I'm doing something that I love. So it's not only me. It's definitely not something that I just stumbled upon. There was a lot of people that helped me and guided me here and said that you can do it, when everyone else was saying that you couldn't, that it was impossible, that you would never be able to do this. And so surround yourself with people like that, and be thankful, and don't forget about them, and always keep them in the back of your mind. And granted, it's easier said than done, but try to be there for those people that were there for you. And the people that push you away, the people that tell you it's impossible, a lot of people would tell you to block those people out of your life, to ignore them, to get them away from you because they have negative energy. But I couldn't disagree more. You know, when you have direction, when you have something to do, when you have something that makes you happy, not a lot of people have that, surprisingly, in the world we live in. And when you find something that you love doing, people look at you and I wouldn't say it's envy or jealousy, it's just they wish they found something. Instead of pushing those people away, I think it should be the opposite. I think you should pull those people in and give them some of your positive energy. There's nothing better than sharing your passion, what makes you happy, with other people, and making other people happy. Have I failed before? Yeah, I failed before, and I'm gonna fail so many times. But yeah, be happy, do what makes you happy in life, and make sure you bring other people along for your journey. All right, it's 1 in the morning. I am finishing up the editing on the video. I'm moving a lot faster than I thought I would. I'm very excited. I just got maybe invite to join a crew for the Annapolis to St. Michael's race this coming weekend. That would be my first ever race, and it might open the door for me to start racing my own boat in the future once I get it back in the water, which should be very soon. So I might start racing in the fall or the spring of 2020, which is extremely excited. But for now, we're just going to continue on with the adventures. Give this video a like, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and visit my Patreon page. All of that will just help me continue to get projects done on the boat and keep the adventures going. So have a good one, and I'll see you on the next adventure.